Welcome home to 3547 Smith Brothers Lane. This beautiful home has an open floor plan with plenty of upgrades, and sits on a large corner lot in the East Haven subdivision. Enter into the grand foyer with hardwood flooring and double front doors. Here is another view showing the modern stair railing. The great room has a vaulted ceiling and fireplace. Here is another view from upstairs landing. The formal dining room has great natural light. There is tons of cabinet space in the modern kitchen, as well as all stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar. The breakfast nook has a view of the backyard. The master bedroom has a double tray ceiling, and is on the main level. This spa-like master bath has a double vanity, tub, and an oversized tile shower. This is only half of the large master closet. This guest bedroom is conveniently located on the main level. Here is a view of the second full bath. It is perfect for guests. This spacious laundry space is also on the main level. Here is a look at the entire staircase that leads to the secondary bedrooms. This home has large secondary bedrooms, and each of them have a ceiling fan. This full hall bath is shared by the upstairs bedrooms and has a double vanity and separate washroom. The loft area is currently being used as a library or study space. The bonus room is above the garage, and provides a great additional living space. The covered back patio offers the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors. The pergola and fire pit help make this a great outdoor entertaining space. The yard is also fenced for additional privacy.